Alright guys, what is up? This is going to be quick. I'm probably going to delete this video after tomorrow, but Envato Elements, an incredible subscription service that allows you to download over 500,000 different assets, whether it be stock footage, sound effects, transition packs, any type of digital product that you'd ever want. They are doing a flash sale up until tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. So that's April 2nd, Pacific Standard Time, 4 p.m. It's going to be only $19 a month. Let's back up real quick. This is what it usually is. Usually Envato Elements is $33 a month, and you can get your first month for $9 through the channel. This new deal is allowing you to get Envato Elements for $19 per month forever. Only if you sign up between now and April 2nd, that's tomorrow, by 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's Los Angeles time. I'm assuming this is like a Corona discount. They're trying to get a bunch of subscribers in fast, and they know that people are hurting, so they want to drop the price at least a little bit. So check it out. I thought this was a good deal. $33 is already a good deal, so $19 per month is an even better deal. Again, this is $19 per month forever. Every subscription really helps the channel. If you click our link below, it's what allows us to continue to put out free content for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Continue watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for Elements. Okay guys, so you've landed on this page. First thing you got to do is just click Start Now. Then type in your first and last name, and then type in your email. And what this just did is create your free account. Next thing you do is set up your username. You can use the one that it's created for you, or you can create a new one. And then you got to create your password. Then you got to confirm that you're not a robot. And then click Create Your Account. Now just fill this out and complete your order. You can put in either PayPal or your credit card. Then you choose whether you want to go monthly, which is of course $19 a month. But if you want to go yearly, it's even less. It's $14 a month. Then click Agree and then complete your order. And there you go.